Good morning, VC. It's a wonderful Wednesday. We're your host, Cale Beasley.
And I'm Dylan Corcoran. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today for lunch, we will be having French bread pizza tossed salad, baby carrots, zucchini slices, banana, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, my name is Maddie, and here are today's top 5 news stories. Number 1, Target brought back its car seat trade-in program. Number 2, Australia to deploy $1.1 billion fleet of Ghost Shark underwater attack drones. Number 3, recent Pennsylvania high school football game had 0 passing yards and 1,000+ rushing yards with a final score of 107-90. Number 4, burglars rammed truck into Chicago Louis Vuitton store to steal on busy street. And number 5, man who developed popcorn lung won $7.2 million lawsuit against popcorn company and others.
Next here is today's word and quote of the weekday.
Superfluous. Unnecessary, especially through being more than enough.
If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. James Cameron.
With volleyball competing at home last night, let's hear about how the season is going.
Hi, I'm Taylor McDonald. I'm on varsity for the volleyball team, and the thing I'm looking forward to most is our last 2 home games.
I'm Alexis, I'm on C team, and I'm most excited for the away games.
I'm Ann Hess, and I'm on the JV team, and something I'm looking forward to this season is getting to know my teammates better.
With the rain washing away some of the dirt off our cars, let's hear about our Hornets dream rides.
McLaren.
Why?
I don't know, because it's fast.
Mine's a 1969 Chevrolet it's like red with a black stripe down the middle.
Why is that?
Because my dad likes that car and I like that car.
My favorite car is a BMW because it's super fast and very light.
All right.
Okay, my favorite car is a Toyota Supra Mark IV.
Why?
1994. Because they're hot.
My favorite car is probably my Kia Optima in pristine condition. Just got a slight dent in the front. But no worry about it. It's probably my favorite car is a Kia Optima 2007.
My favorite car is probably a Dodge Charger.
Okay, why is that?
I don't know. My dad used to have one, and it just was fun to ride around in.
A 69 Camaro.
Why is that?
It's cool looking. It's my grandpa's dream car.
Probably Corvette, like any of the year.
All right, why is that?
Because they look cool and they're fast.
My favorite car probably gotta be Lexus G350 because it's luxurious and has a mouse pad in it.
My favorite car is probably a Kia Soul.
Why is that?
Because all the baddies be driving them.
The rain is trying to make a midweek comeback. Let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, my name is Wyatt and here is today's weather. Today we will have a high of 72 degrees with rain, showers early, and overcast skies later in the day. And tonight's low will be 55 degrees with early skies overnight.
And now it's time for a quick blast from the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.